So now the times come for the shared hosting. As I told, shared hosting is the best one for the newbie, and it is the most popular one, right? So everyone can afford for their website over here. And shared hosting the web, that means the web server is shared by multiple websites in a common hosting environment, and they share the same IP address. So the multiple websites are there, right? So that those websites, they will be sharing the space within one server. So just assume these are the different websites. This is website number one, website number two, and website number three. All these websites, they are taking space in one server. That means this server company, what they have done, they have divided a space over here, and they have limited their uh, disk space over here, right? So easy for multiple websites you can host over a single server, right? And if we'll talk about the advantage of shared hosting, so it is for the cheapest hosting option you are going to have available over here. And shared hosting usually comes equipped with a built-in cPanel, which make it to manage your site, right? And no technical maintenance need to be done on your end of the server. That means you don't need to maintain your things over here, as this is the part of your hosting package. And if we'll talk about the disadvantage of shared hosting, right? So here, what the problem you can face, the load time can be a lot slower than dedicated server. So dedicated server, somewhere it will be the higher version of this web hosting. And if suppose just assume if instant will be getting your traffic, right, for your website, so it can become overburdened by other sites, right? And as your site begins to receive higher levels of traffic, you'll begin to notice that your site might begin to perform much worse. So that's the actual drawback of the shared hosting. Otherwise, initial level it's okay, it is good.